Good evening, sir. I am Deo Pobadora, and I will be talking about the importance of family planning and the use of contraceptives. Both of these things are important to individuals, to families, or let's just say to the society in general. First, I will be talking about family planning. On my own understanding, family planning refers to the way, or let's just say the practice, of taking control of producing the number of children in a family, where it helps a couple or parents whether when or how many children they should have in their family. And these things should be based on their status, health, readiness, and most of all, it should be based on their capability to raise a child and to how much they can provide for their family. I believe that family planning promotes a responsible parenthood where it allows individuals or couples or let's say parents to provide a sufficient amount of love, uh, attention, and resources to their children, on which every children needs and deserves. Another thing is that uh, family planning lowers the percentage of unwanted pregnancies, to which it reduces the risk of abortion and death of a mother during laboring. I believe that a mother who bears a child on her womb willfully has a better state of physical and mental health, and to which a children who is born in a well-planned family is often healthier and emotionally secure. And beyond this family spectrum, family planning uh, affects our economy, the society, and the emotional well-being of individuals. A family who practices family planning often manages finances better, uh, pursue better education, or provide their children a better quality of education, and often family who practices family planning often elevate their quality of life. And when we view it in a bigger picture, family planning helps reduce the overgrowing population of our community, and it helps reduces the high percentage of poverty in our country. On the other hand, contraceptives, on my own understanding, refers to the methods, to the way or the alternatives to prevent pregnancies, to which it allows couples or parents to achieve a healthier family life and plan responsibly. Contraceptives has two types: the artificial method and the natural method. When we talk about natural method, this refers to the natural way of preventing or avoiding pregnancy without using any drugs or medical devices. The best example is the withdrawal method, where a man pulls off his manhood from penetration before ejaculation. When we talk about the artificial method, this is the total opposite of the natural method, because in this method, this uses drugs, medical devices, or surgical methods to prevent pregnancy. The best example that I know for this is the use of condoms and birth control pills. Now let's apply this in a real life situation. Let's say a couple named Lester and Mary are fresh new graduates. They have just started on their careers. Through family planning, they've decided to not bring a child in this world until they are both stable in all aspects, especially in financial and emotional aspects. Though they are both sexually active, they choose to use contraceptives to avoid pregnancy because They are focusing on building their dream life. In this way, they are maintaining their relationship healthy while at the same time reaching their dream life for their dream family. To in conclusion, family planning and using contraceptives are not just about avoiding pregnancies, but it is also about empowerment and responsibility. This thing allows individuals to create a stronger and a healthier family and a better society. Believing that true love waits, I make a commitment to God, my family, my friends, my future mate, and my future children to a lifetime purity, including sexual abstinence from this day until the day I enter sacramental marriage. Amen.